Jai Hind, I am Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to do the complete answer of the exercise animations in PowerPoint 2016, and this video is for class 8 and the book is Beat World Advanced. So if you have the book, so you can go through the books, and first of all MCQs questions are here and we'll complete the MCQs question. The first question is, which PowerPoint views is used to run the presentation on full screen mode? Among the four options, the correct answer is slideshow view. So C is a correct option. Now the next question is, which category of animation is used to highlight the important points or objects on a slide? On the slide, the correct answer is emphasis. So B is a correct option. Now the next question is, transition effect deals with the animation of the option. Among the three options, the C is the correct answer, that is slide. Now the next question is, which of these options is used to set the speed of animations? Now the answer of the question is, that is duration. So A is a correct option. Now the next question is, which function key is used to run the slideshow? Among the given option, that is F5 is used to run the slideshow. Now the next question is, which presentation component can be printed using print option? That is the slide and handouts. Means both options are correct. So the C is a correct option. Now the next type of question is true and false. So the statements are, presentation slides are created in a slideshow view. No, this is a false. Now the next is, we can apply multiple animation effects on the same object. Yes, we can apply the same multiple effects on the same slides. So the next question is, which we cannot change the sequence of slide in a presentation. No, false. This is, we can change the sequence of the slide. Now the next statement is, transition effects can be applied to a single or all slides of the presentation. Yes, this is true. Now the next is, slide timings once recorded cannot be modified. No, this is false. Now the next is, handout option allow you to print multiple slides on a same pages. That is just, this is true. Now the next type of question is fill in the blanks. Means statements are given here and you have to fill up, give the proper word in the fill up. I have highlighted the correct answer. The first is, transition effects are special visual effects used to change over the slide during the slideshow presentation. Now the next is, rehearse timing option in the mid slideshow tab is used to make the slideshow automatic. Now the next is, slides appears on the full screen during the slideshow views. So the slideshow you have to fill up here. The next is, animation pen can be used to reorder or remove the object animations. Now the next is, animation effects can be applied to text and objects. The next is, print options can be accessed from the file tab. So here from file tab you can access the print option. Now the next type of question is, that is answer the following questions. Means you have to give the answer. Questions are here and I'm giving the answer. The question is, what do you understand by animation and how do they help in making presentation impressive? The answer is, animation is a movement or effect added to the object like text or image in a slide. And how does it help? It helps to make the presentation more attractive and keeps the audience interested. These are the help. The presentation generally help us. Now the next question is, what are the two type of animation used in PowerPoint? Describe briefly. The two type of presentation animations are, that is entrance and one is emphasis. The entrance makes an object appears on the slide and the emphasis highlights an object to grab attention. The next question is, what is slide transition and how are these added to slides? The answer is, point-wise answer is, slide transition is an effect that appears when one slide changes to the next. And the second is, it can be added from the transition tab in a PowerPoint. Now the next question is, what is the use of recording the slide timings? The answer is, it helps in running the presentation automatically by setting the time for each slide. Now the next question is, what are custom shows? How are these created in PowerPoint? The answer is, custom shows let us choose and arrange the specific slide to run in a presentation. And the second point is, they are created using custom slideshow option in the slideshow tab. And the next question is, how do we print handout from our presentations? The answer is simple. You should go to file, print, and then select handout, and under the setting print multiple slides can be taken on a one pages. These are the answer of this exercise with this in. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. I would try to give the answer as soon as possible. With this in, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.